Hello guys, today I am telling you 10 interesting facts about cats. First, most cats are lactose intolerant and should not be given cow's milk. Second, an adult cat has 30 teeth. Third, the average cat sleeps 16 to 18 hours per day. Fourth, cats have more than 100 different vocal sounds. Fifth, cats cannot taste anything sweet. Sixth, a cat can jump approximately 7 times its height. Seventh, cat's heart beats nearly twice as fast as a human heart, 110 to 140 beats a minute. Eighth, cat's nose pad is rigged with a unique pattern just like the fingerprint of a human. Ninth, cats can run up to 48 km per hour. 10th, cats spend nearly one third of their waking hours cleaning themselves. Thank you.